Why do we have a huge Rubik's Cube behind us? Because we are on vacation and we are at Disney's Pop Century Resort. So this is the standard room here at Pop Century. You have a refrigerator, a little coffee pot with Joffrey's coffee, some tea, some creamer, ice bucket, this pulls down and I believe it makes a double bed. Your table. I believe this is either, I'm thinking it's a king, it could be a queen, not sure. Some drawers, Gideon's Bible, a safe, bathroom with my favorite shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. I love it, just smells like Disney to me now. That scent will forever be Disney to me. Ironing board, some storage, a place to hang your clothes. There's the iron and a hair dryer. All in all, not a bad little room. As you can see, the Rubik's Cube covers the stairwell. Now, Pop Century Resort is considered one of your value resorts. So it's supposed to be a little cheaper than the moderate, but it's not as cheap as All-Star Movies, All-Star Sports, and All-Star Music. I think the reason being is that this resort does have access to the Skyliner. Now, one reason Jerry and I like these resorts is because of the larger-than-life icons. I don't know, we're still kids at heart, and we love the charm of the funniness of these larger-than-life Roger Rabbits, for example, or the old Sony Walkman. So the thing with Pop Century is that it focuses on the 70s, the 80s. No, take that back. It starts its focus on the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. We are in the 80s. It's cute how they've decorated their window. Now, this particular resort is undergoing refurbishment, so they're doing a lot of work here right now. It's about lunchtime, so Jerry and I are headed to the, I guess, Classic Hall to eat in the food court. A larger-than-life laptop The very old style that probably said, "You've got mail." So every time we come to Pop Century, Jerry has to have his picture made with one of these beloved icons. Not this one, but this one. It's always goofy. So the stairwells on these are decorated by 8-track stereo. You older peeps will know what an 8-track is. I used to have an 8-track in my '79 Lincoln, my very first car. I always wanted a big wheel as a kid. I never got one. Did you have a big wheel?
I don't think so. Main reason is we lived in the country and they just didn't work in the country. Could have had one, just don't remember it, but I don't think I had one.
And I never had a Mickey Mouse phone, and I always wanted a Mickey Mouse phone. Never played foosball either. Go stand by that wheel, Jerry, and give a perspective. One reason we are here tonight is because we are going to the after hours at Disney's Hollywood Studios. So we're allowed to get into the park at 7, and we'll be there, or we're allowed to be there until midnight. Jerry says whether we're there till midnight is yet to be seen. Considering on work nights, which I don't have to work tomorrow, we're on vacation, but on work nights I go to bed around 7. Across the way over there is the Art of Animation Resort. We're going to be staying in it in August. But right here is Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. And that's probably not the wisest thing to do. You can tell who are guests from other states. They are close to the water by the alligator sign just to have their pictures made. Not wise.